Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting needle positions on their sewing machines? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Press keys. Press the pair of keys labeled on the right side of the display to start the needle position adjustment. Step 2. Check display. Check the display to see the current needle position and ensure it's active. Step 3. Adjust needle. Continue pressing key to move the needle left or right to the desired position. Step 4. Verify position. Verify the needle position by observing the display and making a test stitch if needed. Step 5. Start sewing. Proceed with your sewing project using the newly set needle position. Now you should easily be able to adjust the needle position on your Pfaff Tiptronic 2040. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Pfaff users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.